Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A33 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First we need to lock the screen on our phone. To do it, press the power button like this, and now we need to locate the SIM card and SD card tray. On this device it's right here on the left side, right above the volume buttons, right here. Let's pick up our phone. I'm gonna place it like this and hopefully you can see it now. It's right here. Next to the tray we have this small hole and we can use it to open the tray. We need some kind of pin, for example paper clip or this pin tool that usually comes with your phone. We need to take the pin and insert it into this small hole next to the tray, like this. Then we need to push in the pin. The tray will pop out. We can take out the pin, take out the tray, like this. Place our phone right here, pick up the tray, and here's our tray in its all glory. As you can see, we have two SIM card slots and one SD card slot. To put the SIM card on it, simply take the nano size SIM card, like this, and place it on a tray, like that. It only fits one way, so don't worry. Then SD card works the same basically. You simply put it on a tray like this, and it also fits only one way. When you're trying to insert the tray into your phone, be careful because the cards tend to fall off from the tray. Okay, so let's put them back on like this. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up my phone and lay it flat like this, or hold it flat rather, so it's gonna be easier to insert the tray without losing the cards or cards falling off from my tray. So I'm just gonna place my phone like this. Hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna insert the tray like that. When you're inserting the tray, be sure that the side of the SIM card and SD card with the writing on it faces the front of the phone, the screen, and then slide it in slowly till the end, like that. Place our phone right here. I wake up the screen, unlock it, and the SIM card is working, as you can see, because we need to enter the pin. So let's do it. Let's check if SD card is working as well. So let's open the settings, go to additional settings, storage, and here we have our SD card. So it is working. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.